So here we have the Prusa MK4S printer with the MMU printing a multicolor print of Punch the Monkey, and we're printing 3 of them at once because it's an optimized way. If you do all these color changes, this has over 600 color changes, you want to print multiple objects. And this is a 16-hour print, and you can see it there changing the different colors. Let's see. So you come down the tube, there it goes. That's a sand color, number 3. So over here we've got spool 1, orange, spool 2 gray, spool 3, the sand color, and then 4 is black, and 5 is white. So if you notice, all these things just sit right to the right of the printer in a really compact way. And I've actually got another one over there all set up as well. So these things are safe-spacing design, space-saving design. Tongue twister. And I designed this whole little thing here. It's got these wood and metal clips and a small number of 3D printed pieces, these brackets primarily. And if you're connecting to the core 1, I made some modifications to the bottom of the buffer there. And I'm using someone else's thing on the top there to increase the size of the buffer. This is not the core 1, but the core 1 buffer requires a little more space. I'm also using this remix of a cassette, which allows these strips to get pushed down. So these strips get pushed down in there. They're all the way down the bottom, and so when you load it, initially you don't have to pull the cassette out. The filament just goes around it and feeds through. And then as soon as you load it, you pull this thing back up, and that allows the buffer then to function. And this is my design here. This is a quick access, so I can physically touch the filament and load it in at the final step and see it going in the back there. That makes loading much easier there. So this is a 5-color print, about 16.5 hours, and I haven't had any manual interventions at all. I mean, this whole setup is working perfectly. I share this design. If you're interested in replicating this buffer design, I've got that on printables. And the model is a custom model. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the model yet, but this design at least is shared over here on the right of the buffering system. So that's about it. Yeah, so we just finished the pupil of the stuffed companion's eye, and Punch is asleep, he's happy. A little cuddle pose there. Okay, that's it.